guys, so today's video we got the X-Maxx, and I am going to be trying out these belted tires again. I took them off and put the non-belted, so I put these on back again just to try them out. And I printed this front bumper, which is not available yet, but I do need to do some minor changes and it will be available pretty soon. But enough talking, let's hit it. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Easy. Oh. Oh, I just totally good. Oh, I was tired. Oh, that was a big slap. Woo, big slap. Oh my gosh, this is so far, dude. Dude, that thing was so far, dude. So I counted it. It's about 98 feet far. Look at the ramp. The ramps are all over there. You can see where it landed. This is almost about 100 feet far. Yeah, there you go. Man, that went pretty far. Alright, stuff back over there. I missed. Oh, my wheel! No! Then I missed the X-Maxx wheel. See that? So, comment down below whether X-Maxx belted tires are pretty cheap, but good. Alright, next victim. Around the Pro Moto a little bit, just getting a little rip on the dirt. Nothing too crazy. Oh, that drift. That looks like it drifts so good, dude. Alrighty guys, so this is going to be the end of this video, the X-Maxx. Next video we are going to be running the Creighton, and I can't wait to send that off that thing. But if you guys liked it, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll put my eBay down below so you guys can check it out. Peace.